Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some traditional cottagecore aesthetic coffee bar decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Traditional cottagecore aesthetic coffee bar decoration is a cozy, nostalgic way of styling a home coffee corner, inspired by old-fashioned country cottages, traditional kitchens, and countryside living. It combines vintage charm, natural materials, handmade details, and warm everyday comforts. Key decoration ideas: use a vintage cabinet or wooden shelf. Choose an antique-looking sideboard, a small hut, or distressed wooden table as the base for your coffee bar. Add vintage coffee accessories, display ceramic mugs, floral teacups, old-fashioned sugar bowls, milk jugs, and vintage spoons. Choose soft and natural colors: try cream, warm white, shell green, dusty blue, muted yellow, beige, or soft floral tones. Decorate with floral patterns. A small floral curtain, vintage tea towel, or floral mug collection can instantly create a cottagecore feeling. Wooden elements: use wooden trays, cutting boards, shelves, and storage boxes to bring warmth and a traditional countryside character. Include a small vase of flowers. Use fresh wildflowers or dried flowers in a vintage ceramic jug. Make the coffee corner feel charming and lived-in. Display pretty jars. Store coffee beans, tea, sugar, and biscuits in glass jars or traditional ceramic containers with simple labels. Hang a small vintage sign. A simple coffee-themed sign or framed botanical print can add personality without making the space feel overly modern. Use oven baskets. Small wicker or rattan baskets are perfect for storing napkins, coffee filters, tea bags, or extra mugs. Create a cozy grandma kitchen feeling. The goal is not perfection. Mix old and new pieces. Use handmade items and display objects that feel sentimental and collected over time. The overall look. Think of a small countryside coffee corner where you might imagine enjoying coffee on a quiet morning, out in cabinet, a lace or floral tactile, a collection of mismatched ceramic cups, a vase of flowers, and warm natural textures. The best traditional cottagecore coffee bars feel personal, nostalgic, practical, and slightly imperfect, rather than overly polished or modern. Traditional cottagecore aesthetic coffee bar decoration is more than simply placing a coffee machine on a counter. It is about creating a warm, nostalgic, old-fashioned corner that feels like it belongs in a traditional countryside cottage. Choose the right foundation. A small wooden console, antique sideboard, vintage hutch, or farmhouse cabinet makes an excellent coffee bar base. Look for natural wood, painted finishes, or gently distressed surfaces that create an authentic cottage feel. Focus on traditional ceramics. Ceramics are one of the most important elements. Consider displaying floral teacups and saucers, mismatched vintage mugs, ceramic sugar bowls, small milk jugs, stoneware coffee cups, and hand-painted platters. Open shelves or glass-front cabinets are perfect for showing off your collection. Bring in nature. Cottagecore decoration has a strong connection to nature. Add fresh seasonal flowers, dried wildflowers, small potted herbs, botanical prints, a little trailing plant. A simple bunch of flowers in an old ceramic pitcher can become the centerpiece. Use natural materials. Traditional cottagecore works beautifully with natural textures. Combine aged or reclaimed wood, wicker and rattan, linen, cotton, ceramic, glass, brass or antique style metal. These materials give the coffee station a warm tactile appearance. Make storage part of the decoration. Instead of hiding everything away, turn useful items into decorative features. Keep coffee beans in glass jars, display mugs on hooks, and use wicker baskets for tea towels and napkins. A small wooden tray can group your coffee utensils together and make the area look organized. Add soft vintage details. Small details create a nostalgic atmosphere. You might add a vintage clock, a small framed botanical illustrations, a brass candle holders, a lace or embroidered runner, a vintage spoon collection, a old-fashioned recipe card, a small chalkboard sign. The key is to choose a few meaningful pieces rather than filling every surface. Use a gentle color palette. Traditional cottagecore usually avoid very bright or harsh colors. Beautiful combinations include cream and chaise green, warm white and dusty blue. Use beige and muted floral pink. Use soft yellow and natural wood, chaise and antique white. You can also use dark wood with creamy ceramics for a more traditional English country appearance. Mix coffee and tea. A traditional cottagecore station does not have to be exclusively about coffee. Create a cozy coffee and tea corner with a teapot, tea things, coffee jars, honey, biscuits, and a few beautiful cups. This makes the space feel more like a traditional cottage kitchen and less like a modern cafe. Consider the background. The wall behind your coffee bar can enhance the whole look. Try floral wallpaper, bedboard or paneling, a simple warm neutral wall, open wooden shelves, vintage artwork, a collection of small framed botanical prints. If your coffee bar is in a kitchen, a nearby window with natural light can make the area especially charming. Create a cozy everyday ritual. The most beautiful cottagecore coffee bars feel lived in and welcoming. Keep a small biscuit tin, a jar of homemade cookies, or a favorite mug nearby. The idea is to make the coffee station feel like a place you genuinely enjoy using every day. The traditional cottagecore formula: vintage furniture and floral ceramics. Use natural wood, soft colors, fresh flowers, handmade textiles, practical storage, equal traditional cottagecore coffee bar. The overall mood should feel nostalgic, peaceful, homely, and timeless, like a charming little coffee corner inspired by a traditional countryside cottage and the warmth of a grandmother's kitchen. Traditional cottagecore coffee bar decor is inspired by the simple beauty of old countryside homes. Instead of looking brand new and perfectly coordinated, the space often combines vintage pieces, handmade objects, floral patterns, and practical kitchenware. Imagine a small wooden cabinet with open shelves, a collection of floral cups, a ceramic jug filled with flowers, glass jars of coffee and sugar, and a linen cloth hanging nearby. The result is cozy and nostalgic without feeling overly decorated. Choosing the furniture. The furniture sets the foundation for the whole look. Good options include a small antique wooden cabinets, vintage sideboards, old-fashioned kitchen hatches, repurposed nightstands, farmhouse console tables, a small wicker racks, painted wooden cupboards. A vintage hutch is especially useful because the lower section can provide hidden storage, while the upper shelves can display beautiful mugs, teapots, and decorative pieces. Creating a beautiful display. A cottagecore coffee bar should have a balance between function and decoration. You can arrange items in small groups. Coffee area, use coffee machine, coffee beans, and wooden cups. Drink bar area, mugs plus teacups and saucers. Sweet corner, biscuit jars, sugar bowls, and honey. Decorative corner, use flowers, window pictures, and candle holders. This creates separate visual zones and prevents the coffee station from looking cluttered. The importance of florals. Florals are one of the easiest ways to bring cottagecore character into the space. You don't need to use flowers everywhere. A few carefully chosen details are enough. Try tiny floral mugs, rose patterned teacups, botanical artwork, floral curtains, embroidered tea towels, a small bucket of wildflowers. For a traditional look, small-scale floral patterns often feel more authentic than very large, bold prints. Add handmade textures. Cottagecore is strongly connected to craftsmanship and handmade details. Consider adding crochet mug cozies, embroidered napkins, hand-knitted textiles, oven baskets, handmade ceramic cups, crochet dollies, and linen runners. These details give the coffee bar a personal and collected appearance. Use glass jars for practical storage. Clear glass jars can make everyday ingredients part of the decoration. You might store coffee beans, ground coffee, tea leaves, sugar, biscuits, and marshmallows. For an old-fashioned appearance, use simple handwritten labels or small vintage-style tags. Create a collected of a time look. One of the most charming aspects of traditional cottagecore is that everything does not have to match. For example, you could combine one floral mug, one plain ceramic mug, a vintage teacup, a wooden tray, an old glass jar, a brass spoon. The slight differences make the coffee bar feel as though it has been collected gradually over many years. Try layering different heights. A coffee bar looks more interesting when everything is not at the same height. You can place a wooden tray at the front, coffee jars behind it, a raised cake stand for mugs, a taller vase of flowers at one side, a framed print leaning against the wall. This creates a layered, visually rich arrangement while keeping the space practical. Lighting and atmosphere. Warm lighting can make a huge difference. If the coffee bar is in a darker corner, consider a small table lamp, one-tone lighting, a vintage-style wall light, battery-operated candles. The goal is to create a soft morning or evening atmosphere rather than bright, modern cafe lighting. Different cottagecore directions. You can personalize the traditional cottagecore coffee bar according to your preferred mood. English country cottage use floral china, antique wood, botanical artwork, and soft rose and chest tones. For rustic country cottage, use natural wood, oven baskets, stoneware, linen, and earthy colors. Vintage grandma cottage use mismatched teacups, crochet details, embroidered textiles, old recipe cards, and nostalgic accessories. Garden cottage focus on fresh flowers, herbs, botanical prints, shades accents, and natural materials. Soft romantic cottage use cream ceramics, delicate florals, lace, soft pink accents, and vintage brass details. A simple styling formula. A beautiful traditional cottagecore coffee bar can follow this simple formula. On vintage furniture page, use 2 to 3 practical coffee items, a collection of pretty ceramics, a floral arrangement, a natural texture element, on nostalgic decorative objects. This keeps the coffee bar charming without making it feel overcrowded. The main feeling. Ultimately, traditional cottagecore coffee bar decoration is about creating a solo, cozy, nostalgic appearance. It celebrates the beauty of ordinary routines, making coffee, brewing tea, arranging flowers, and enjoying a quiet moment. The best coffee bar does not look like it came directly from a furniture showroom. Instead, it feels like a beloved little corner of a countryside cottage filled with things that are useful, beautiful, and full of character. Think of the coffee bar as a little cottage corner. Instead of treating the coffee bar as just a place for a coffee machine, think of it as a small decorative dignity within your home. A traditional cottagecore coffee corner might include a small antique wooden cabinet, a coffee maker or French press, a vintage tray, rural mugs hanging from hooks, a ceramic pitcher filled with flowers, glass jars for coffee and sugar, a small framed botanical picture, a basket for napkins, a vintage clock or decorative plate. The goal is to make the area feel like it has a story and personality. Repurpose old furniture. One of the best ways to achieve an authentic cottagecore look is to give old furniture a new purpose. You could transform an old bedside table into a mini coffee station, a vintage writing desk into a coffee bar, an antique cabinet into a coffee and tea cupboard, a small bookshelf into a mug display, an old kitchen hut into a complete coffee station. A slightly worn or aged appearance can actually add charm. You don't need everything to look perfectly new. Create a dedicated tea and coffee cupboard. For a more traditional approach, consider creating tea and coffee cupboard. The shelf could hold top shelf, pretty teacups, saucers, and small decorative platters. Middle shelf, use coffee jars, tea tins, sugar bowls, and honey pots. Next, bottom section, use extra coffee supplies, napkins, mugs, and serving trays. This approach is practical while also creating an attractive display. A good cottagecore coffee bar should look beautiful even when you are not using it, but it should become even more charming when you actually make coffee or tea there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.